Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall solve the remaining 3 questions of aptitude part that was asked in BlueJ solutions. So this is the aptitude part which was asked in the BlueJ solution. So we shall quickly see what are the remaining 3 questions that was asked in BlueJ solutions. So the next question, it was asked on the probability. So the group consists of it is permutation and combinations. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected if the team has at least 1 boy and 1 girl? So they have told the total there are 4 girls and 7 boys, and there should be a team which has at least. So at least means it can have 1 or more. So 1 or total it is 4. So now we shall quickly see how to solve this question. So we shall quickly see the solution for this question. So the first thing is we shall write the given. So the given is that total number of girls and total number of boys. So the first thing is the total number of girls. So total number of girls equal to 4, which is given, and boys is 7. So similarly total number of boys equal to 7. And the next thing is you need to find the probability of at least 1 boy and 1 girl they have asked. So probability of at least 1 boy and 1 girl. So probability of at least 1 boy and 1 girl is equal to, first we shall write, so they have told at least, so there are 4 girls and then 5 boys. So first we need to consider if there is 1 girl, and then what about remaining is, so if there is 1 girl and there are, so 1 girl as well as, so here you can say out of 4 girls if there is 1 girl and then remaining will be boys. So I need to find, so if there is 1 girl and if there are how many boys, so there are 7 boys. So 1 girl as well as 4 boys. So out of so 1 girl and then 4 boys. So what is the permutation and combination? Out of 4 girls there is, so out of 4C 1 plus out of 7C there will be 4. So into 7C 3. So into 7C3 means if there is out of 4, if 1 girl is gone, then there will be 3 boys. So then after that, so we have considered 4 boys, it will be 4C1 into 7C4. So then second thing is that if there is 3 girls, second thing is that if there is 2 girls and then 3 boys. So 2 girls plus 3 boys. So 2 girls plus 3 boys. So totally there are 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now out of 4 girls, if you consider 2 girls and then after that there are 5 members they have told. See, they have told 5 members. So there are totally 5 members. So out of 5 members you have considered 1 girl. So remaining is 4. So 4 boys. So you can say 4C1 into 7C4. Now it is 2 girls and remaining out of 5, if 2 is gone, 3 boys. So it will be out of 4 C, then after that what are girls is C2 into boys are 7 C, then 3. Similarly third part is if there are 3 girls plus if there are 4 boys. You need to reduce. So there are 2 boys. So now you can say out of 4 girls, if you consider 3 girls into, then boys is 7 C2. So then the last combination can be, if there are 4 girls, then out of 5, if 4 is gone, then there will be 1 boy. So out of 4 girls there will be 4 members into boys is 7C1. So what you need the total of this. So you need to find the number of ways. So total number of ways can be calculated as, so total number of ways. So you need to find the total number of ways. So total number of ways equal to, you need to add everything. So it will be 4C1 into 7C4 plus 4C2 into 7C3 plus 4C3 into 7C2 plus 4C3 into 7C1. So this is the entire combination which you have got. So now you need to apply the formula, that is combination. So that is, you can say 7C1. So combination is calculated as, so it is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r. So n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial you need to apply for each combination. So upon simplification you will get it as, so the first part is 140 plus 210 plus 84 plus 7. So then after that what you will get the result as, upon adding you will get 441 as the correct answer. So from the option you can say option B is the correct answer from the options. So you can say 441 is the correct answer for this question. So then we shall see the next question, that is the fourth question that was asked in the Blue solutions in the aptitude part. So the fourth question is, if n equal to 7, so there is a number called 777, and then where 7 is a digit which repeats itself 603 times. So it repeats for 603 times. What is the remainder left when n is divided by 1144? So it is repeated for 603 times, and if n is divided by 1144, you can say you will get, if you are dividing the 4-digit number, you will get a 3-digit number. So if you divide with this, since it is a odd number and this is even number, again you will get 777 itself. So once you divide it with 4 digit, you will get 3 digits. So out of 4 options, the B is the correct answer, which is having a 3 digit, and also it is 777. So then we shall see the fifth question. So the fifth question is like this: 476 plus 424 whole square minus 4 into 476 into 424. We need to solve this. So for this we know the formula. You need to apply the formula for this. We know that this is in the form a plus b the whole square minus 4 into a into b. So where a is nothing but 476 and b is nothing but 424. And what about 4ab is 4ab again. So it is same, 476 into 424. So then after that what you can do is you need to calculate this. So that will be 476 plus 424 whole square minus 4 into 476 into 424. So then after that what you need to do is you need to simplify this. So you need to simplify this. So upon simplification you can say, the first thing is upon simplification, so this will be, you can say 400 plus 400 870, then after that 96 plus 4 will be 900. So this will be 900 whole square minus, and then after that you're going to multiply this. So you can multiply this with this, like each and every term you need to multiply. So like you can say 6 4s are 24, then 2 carry, 7 4s are 28, 30, so 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. So then 1094 into, so remaining is 424. So upon multiplication you will get 900 whole square minus 807296. So 807296. After that you know that 900 whole square is nothing but it will be 8140 minus 807296. So out of 81, so it is out of 8,10,000, if the 8 lakh is gone, so remaining you can say again it is minus like 7,296. So you can say remaining will be around 3,000, means here it is 96, so it will be 2,000 something, so 2,704. So here you can see from the option, so 2,704. So this is 2,704, sorry. So 2,704. So here you can say from the option is 2706, 2704, 2706 and none. So 2704 is the correct answer for this question. So then now quickly we shall move towards the English proficiency part. So in case of English proficiency part, the first question is, what is the antonym for barbarous? So barbarous is nothing but it is a cruel, or you can say uncivilized. So uncivilized is the meaning or the synonym for barbarous. but in the question they have told antonym. So means you need to find the opposite of uncivilized is nothing but civilized. So civilized is the correct answer for this question. So next thing is speak up. I can't hear you because your dog dash too much noise. So your dog makes too much noise. Made is making, has made, this will be all past tense, but makes gives a correct meaning for this sentence. A small selection of terms is usually found in the book of a textbook. So in the book of a textbook it is called as a glossary. So a small selection of terms which is usually found in the back of a textbook is nothing but it's a glossary. You can call it as glossary. Next thing is that she is shocked because she saw a terrible accident. She saw a terrible accident. Then the next thing is the last question is that, so the last question is that what do you understand by the word landslide victory? So landslide victory is nothing but, so victory, landslide victory, it is nothing but you can call it as overwhelming. So overwhelming. So this is all about the English proficiency part and the aptitude part. So in the next video we shall solve the programming MCQs and the coding question that was asked in BlueJ Solutions. So thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.